I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I take my passport everywhere I go. Don't want to get deported, do I? I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course in my house I have a corner dedicated to all things Zimbabwe. I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I know the difference between now,
Now,
just now,
where now,
right now,
who now,
what now?
there now.
I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I say when we had a poiki in the kitchen, we cook sadza. I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I've taught my daughter how to speak one of the Zimbabwean languages. Shona.
Si,
Iwe.
mascati papa.
Mascati, what's where I say?
Unos poder masarau.
That's where. I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I have a nyami nyami in my bathroom. And some seashells. And the Zimbabwe bird. And some sea sand. And some ducks. I'm from Zimbabwe. Of course I have my own pet lion.
Shumba.
This one just shrunk in the wash, but I will be riding him to work when he gets bigger.